Once again, good morning, gentlemen, and welcome to this first Visayas Area Council meeting. Good morning. Good morning, each and everyone. Welcome to this first Visayas Area Council meeting. Also, our South Luzon Area Chair, Engineer Marlon Pimato, will discuss relating to our ethics and grievance. And also our Honorable Governor, Jose Igabino Jr. Sir, welcome here. Welcome. So, morning.
May punta. Sa hindi na po usapon ng paano yung mga Tagalog hindi ko na ulitin po ang pag-introduce ng ating mga guests.
Ang tawag lang niya, hindi nag-iisa na lang. Tagal na. So baka mayroon din sa inyo dito. Kaya magandang pag-usapan din yung
so as regards the meeting, I would like to report that we have also denied request for certificate of standing for the renewal of one of the permit. But our ground was simply failure to comply with the two attendance rules because that is
my honor lang, honor yung citizen. So yun yung for the month of October, and then November is the GIS month. So yun yung nakalay na talaga namin yung mga activities namin. So sa March is yung board surveyors month. Yun yung I would like to acknowledge our President Rasa Ferdinand.
Southern Leyte, hindi sila talaga nakatouch. Tapos yung research nila, yung problema namin hanggang ngayon, pupunta lang sila doon, tapos sasabihin, pabalikan mo next week. Tapos another next week, pagbalik, wala na naman, hindi pa tapos. In another week na naman. So yun yung, parang sila mismo, hindi na rin masyadong sa GEP kasi parang wala, hindi nila nakikita yung effort, yung tulong, yung so doon namin nalaman din na may mga ganun silang sentiments doon sa mga fellow GEs nila is ito na, engineer.
So ano natin is para ito pong mga bata, isang kagaya ng kakandaan. As early as now, para po makita nila yung takbo ng GEP, at yung future leader sila. So hindi po sila, kasi meron 2 days ago lang pag-meeting sa Presidente, sa Vice President, si President Gil. Meron daw ibang mga regions na may resistance.
Gatherings from all parang conventions from all student organizations. Ayun din, to promote camaraderie within each universities. Currently, I have given the link of the Google Sheets. Google Sheets kasagutan ng mga universities. Nabigyan ko so far is sa Region 7 is yung USP at nabigyan ko kay Engineer Akayo yung para sa Norsok. And I am finding ways na para mabigay ko sa ibang yung dalawa yung university natin sa Region 7 na may GE so naghahanap ako ng contact sa Bohol para kung sino yung mabigyan ko ng link.
Something to say para sa YJEP, anong share mo sa amin lahat para iwan sa mga regional presidents din natin.
Ang current projects ng YJEP is yung pag-track ng mga student organizations para
student na gusto gumawa ng isang national na parang national council for all student chapters.